everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
Top 5 Best Wireless Gaming Headphone Reviews. Number 5. Razer Ornator Chroma. Custom designed keycaps for quicker actuation. 10 key rollover anti-ghosting. Ergonomic magnetic wrist rest for ultimate comfort. Soft cushioned membrane rubber dome. A crisp tactile mechanical pick. Powered by Razer Chroma with 16.8 million customizable. Number 4. SteelSeries Apex M750. Real-time Discord in-game lighting notifications. Durable 5000 series aluminum alloy. Easy and intuitive per key RGB lighting customization. Reactive illumination to in-game events like low ammo. Item weight 3.1 pounds. Pure performance QX2 linear mechanical gaming switches. Number 3. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. Built to withstand a lifetime of gaming. Dual-sided with soft touch finish. 8 MB profile storage with hardware macro. Allow access up to 3 stored profiles. 100% Cherry MX speed RGB mechanical. Unleash blistering speed with the 1.2mm actuation. Number 2. Redragon K552. Red LED adjustable lighting. Custom mechanical switches. Mechanical keys with medium resistance. '87 standard conflict-free keys. Metal and ABS construction. Custom mechanical switches designed for longevity. Number 1. Corsair K68. 100% Cherry MX red key switches. Every key press registers correctly. Software CD not included with the product. Powerful Corsair Utility Engine CUE. How fast your in-game action are. Help protect from accidents so your game never stops.